Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. Having understood time in terms of seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, and years, having realized the similarity between a number line and a timeline, let's learn how to represent the life of a person as a timeline. When you want to represent the life of a person in terms of timeline, first you note down the important events that happened in the life of a person, with date. Then you draw a timeline, just like the number line, with starting and ending years. You mark the lines in between in equal distances, just like scale, so that it is easy for you to mark the events. Then on the timeline, you mark important events that you have noted down. Your timeline is ready. It is that simple. Now, you have to construct timeline of Pedki Devi. Listen to her true story.
My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. I remember that when I was 5 years old I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit. But the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurts in winter. While grazing our goats we often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years I got a big scolding. I had lost one goat. At the age of 15 years I was married. My husband was much older than me. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22, and 24 years old. Time passed very fast then. I was busy with my farm, housework and looking after my animals. But at the age of 35 years my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. His brothers tried to take away our farm. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Some good people saved me. We fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years I saw a police station for the first time. When I was 45 I learned to read and write. 2 years later I got my eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school.
Having read and understood the story of Pedki Devi, underline important events and the time when it happened.
Here are the important events. I was 5 years old. I broke my foot. At the age of 10 years I got a big scolding. At the age of 15 years I was married. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Later I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. At the age of 35, my husband fell ill and died. At the age of 40 years I saw a police station. I was 45. I learned to read and write. 2 years later I got my eldest daughter married. Which means she was 47 years old when her eldest daughter married. Now I am 50 years old.
Here is the exercise from textbook. Things that happened in Pedki Devi's life are given below. Mark these on her timeline.
We have already read the story of Pedki Devi and noted events in her life. So let's write against each of these events. The age of Pedki Devi, when it happened. She broke her foot at the age of 5. Lost one goat when she was 10 years old. She got married at the age of 15. She had her 4th child when she was 24 years old. First saw a police station at the age of 40. Learned to read and write at the age of 45. eldest daughter got married when she was 47.
Now we mark the event A, between 0 and 10, as it happened at the age of 5. Then we mark event B at 10, which is straightforward. We mark the event C, between 10 and 20, as it happened at the age of 15. Then we mark the event D, between 20 and 30, slightly to the left, as it happened at the age of 24. Then we mark event A at 40, which is straightforward. Then we mark the event F, between 40 and 50, as it happened at the age of 45. Then we mark the event G, between F and 50, as it happened at the age of 47. With this we have completed Pedki Devi's timeline. See how easy it is now to understand the story of Pedki Devi and major events in her life, just by looking at her timeline. With this we have come to the end of session 6.